Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today I'll show you how to install DeepSeek R1 locally in under 5 minutes using Ollama. This method is one of the fastest and easiest way to run DeepSeek R1 on your own computer without dealing with complicated setups or dependencies. I'll walk you through everything step by step from downloading the model to testing with real questions. So let's get started. First, let's talk about why running DeepSeek R1 is locally a great option. Unlike cloud based AI models, which require an internet connection and often come with usage limits or privacy concerns, running DeepSeek R1 on your own machine gives you full control. You can generate responses instantly without delays and without worrying about data being sent to external servers. This is perfect for developers, researchers, and anyone who wants a powerful AI assistant running offline. Now to install DeepSeek R1, we'll be using Ollama, a lightweight AI model management tool that simplifies the process of downloading and running large language models. If you haven't installed Ollama yet, go to ollama.com and download the installer for your operating system. The installation process is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll have it set up in no time. Once Ollama is installed, open your terminal or command prompt. The next step is to download the DeepSeek R1 model. To do this, simply choose the version that you want from this drop-down menu. The most recommended one is the 32 GB, but to make the installation easier and much faster, I'll choose the 7B. Now copy this code right here and paste it on Ollama. Press enter and Ollama will begin downloading the DeepSeek R1 model. The file size can be several gigabytes, so depending on your internet speed, this might take a few minutes. Ollama automatically manages the model files, so you don't have to worry about complex installations or dependencies. It handles everything in the background. After the download is complete, you're ready to run DeepSeek R1. Basically, this is how it's going to look like. The only problem with this installation method is that again, you need a large drive space for this, which I unfortunately do not. Once it is installed, my computer started crashing, so instead of showing it to you directly, I'll show you what it does right here in the web app. Since this is just locally installed version of DeepSeek, it has the same functionality anyways. This command launches the model and starts an interactive chat session. You'll see a prompt appear just like using ChatGPT where you can start asking DeepSeek R1 questions. You can try something simple like, what is DeepSeek R1? The AI will generate a response explaining its capabilities. Now let's test it with some different types of queries to see how well it performs. First, let's try coding. You can ask, write a Python script that scrapes the latest news headlines from a website. Let's try to open a new chat if it has errors like that. And then just wait for it to generate a response. DeepSeek R1 will generate the complete script for you, including explanations of how it works. This is great for developers who need quick code snippets without searching online. Now let's see how well it handles content generation. Try asking, write a 300-word blog post about the future of AI in 2025. DeepSeek R1 will generate a structured and well-written article, making it a powerful tool for content creators and researchers. Now let's push its problem-solving abilities. You can ask, how do I fix module not found error in Python? DeepSeek R1 will not only explain the error but also provide possible solutions and troubleshooting steps. This makes it incredibly useful for debugging code or solving technical issues quickly. Since DeepSeek R1 runs locally, responses are generated faster compared to cloud based models or compared to this website version. Since it doesn't require any internet connection, it's not going to load like this, and all your queries stay private. This makes it an excellent choice for professionals handling sensitive data or those who simply want a faster AI experience. And that's it. You have successfully installed DeepSeek R1 locally using Ollama in under 5 minutes. Now you can use this AI model anytime, anywhere without needing an internet connection. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech tips.